Hey, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to take a moment and thank you for the work that you've done in this class. I know that it's very challenging and demanding to take a short class, a winter class, and then to do it in the midst of Christmas and New Year's. So I appreciate your hard work. Thank you once again for allowing me to be your instructor. Just a reminder, your final paper is due on January 3rd. The class ends January the 3rd. So please note that that paper has to be in to me by 11:55 on January 3rd, which is Tuesday, which is tomorrow. I cannot allow any exceptions. It has to be on that date. No later than that date. If you do it earlier, of course, I greatly appreciate that, but tomorrow is the deadline. I have given you a template that you can follow that might help you. I usually use headings in my papers to kind of make sure that I cover all of my points that I'm trying to make sure that you answer the questions completely and that you provide significant detail for what it is that the point that you're making. So please remember that your research project is due tomorrow, Tuesday, January the 3rd. As soon as all grades are done, I'll be sure to send you an email, let you know that I finalized all the grades. If I can be of any help, please reach out to me. I look forward to reviewing your work. I hope you have a great week. Take care.